Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is a Tuesday, 10th of August 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit today and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I managed to do it beautiful trades today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar Yen. All right, Euro USD. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a beautiful trade last week on Friday. You can see amazing, beautiful pips. Yesterday, as you can see, we haven't seen any volatility in the market, and that's why I haven't broadcast my analysis yesterday. But at the New York session yesterday, we had a beautiful short trade, as you can see here. Beautiful, and we're still holding short, and we just managed beautiful pips, and now we're looking at counter long trade. And let me share with you guys how I managed to bank beautiful pips through this journey through intraday analysis. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, let me make it slightly bigger and let me share with you guys from yesterday after London morning. As you can see here, just before London open, we did this analysis. Look for pullback at this level. As you can see here, beautiful pullback short trade here. I updated that analysis instantly as soon as the market developed another pattern, and that's what exactly we do. We keep an eye on the market. As soon as the new pattern develop, we broadcast and communicate with our traders through live audio commentary. You can see here another triangle pattern breakout, beautiful short trade, and we were holding short trade from yesterday. Even this morning, I said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. We had a beautiful breakout short trade, very nice short trade, and our target was this red fib channel, which is priced nicely, hit that target now. And then I explained to my trader, look for counter long trade, and this is my recent analysis, and that's what we explained to trader. Look at here why we're looking at counter, expecting price might going to respect 170,000 level and might going to see counter short trade. As an intraday trading, that's what exactly we're looking here at the moment. If you look at here, we have diversion, in momentum, you can see here, and that's why we explained previous diversion. You can see a price reverse, so expecting here another counter long trade. We'll let you know tomorrow about the Euro USD. Let's move into the Pound Dollar. In Pound Dollar, if you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, if you look at here, we haven't seen, again, not volatility, but we managed beautiful pips. Even this downside channel pattern, we have taken counter long trade and the short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I manage beautiful pips on Pound Dollar and help my traders. And if you look at the yesterday, this is the analysis just before London open, as expected, looking for pullback short trade here at this level, and the beautiful pullback as soon as price hit to the previous low. And you can see here, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful 20-30 pips on this one. And at the New York session, price developed another triangle pattern at this level, and that way we explained to trader, look for another beautiful, you can see here another beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the major support level, again in 4-hour, bank beautiful pips. This was the yesterday at the New York session. Today morning, as you can see here, the price was at this level, and explained to trader, look for another breakout. You can see even price broken, and after the breakout, price retest. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, which is broken in my previous analysis, explained to trader, tightening a stop loss or banking some pips. And today at the New York session, you can see here another pattern is developed, consolidation. As you can see, it being an intraday, beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit again at the 200 EMA, explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So we have another 15-20 pips on this one. So you can see here, all that analysis are 100% based on the technical analysis, but keep an eye on 4-hour price action. As you can see here, within these movements, how many pips we managed to squeeze on Pound Dollar. Our trader really enjoyed it. Okay, let's move into the Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting. And if you look at the Dollar CAD, we had it, yesterday we had a short trade here, then we had a New York session long trade here, and beautiful, and at the New York session we have the short trade here, and banking beautiful, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you all the analysis based on this 4-hour movement, if I show you the all the analysis of intraday dollar CAD, let me share with you. Okay, so this is the analysis I did at the yesterday at the London Open, and you can see here this was the beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the support level at this level, and that's what we explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. It's looked like the price is developing a double bottom, so it's time to bank some profit. So we had the beautiful pippies on this one, and then at the New York session yesterday, as you can see here, price nicely respected at the support level. That's what we explained to trader. Look at here, it's looked like a head and shoulder pattern, but the safest way, if the price is going to break the previous high or previous low, which you can see here, price nicely broken and beautiful, because we have a major support level. So beautiful breakout, and as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level and the previous high in 4 hour, explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. Okay, so as you can see, today morning we have this breakout, but eventually we came out at the break even. We were expecting some nice short, because the thing is, we were thinking the price respecting the resistance level, possibility of short, but we managed to came out at the break even. But at the New York session, we had amazing, you can see here what happened here. That's what we explained to trader. Price develop a triple top and looking for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after the breakout, pull back short trade here. So you can see here we had such a nice beautiful breakout, this one. As you can see here, even in 4 hours, the price developed triple top here, and this is the rejection. Price keep rejecting this resistance level, and we break out beautiful short trade here. So far at the moment, if you look at in dollar CAD, 4 hour looks like a bearish engulfing candle. Yesterday, if the price can break this previous low, which is already, you can see here, price already broke on this one. Let's see if the price can break, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. So beautiful short trade, and the target would be this level. Let's see how that's going to go. All right, guys. So even if let me share with you the view live trade here. Sorry. So look at the daily, and that's what we explained to trader here. Look like the bearish engulfing candle. Look, the price is nicely respected this here, and if you look at here, I can see here the price look like is developing it sort of like a head and shoulder pattern in daily, and price nicely respected. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, let me share with you the 4 hour chart. You can see a price nicely broken and beautiful short trade here. And let's see tomorrow if the price is going to continue, we're going to be keep taking a pullback short trade here. All right, guys, so I'll let you know tomorrow about the dollar CAD. We can see we already banked beautiful pips anyway. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and the most important thing, guys, that's what I'm keep telling you, watching those analysis in real time alongside with a 4 hour or daily analysis in real time, and banking pips in real time. And the most interesting thing is developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, then definitely I can help you to get funded from the platforms. If you are interested in how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description below. Feel free, and even if you are an experienced trader, as you've seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.